Hi there, it's Babs from Yarn Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to knit this really simple lace stitch which sort of swirls back and forth around the gaps that you are creating with your yarn overs. Now this is really beautiful and very, very simple to do. It is a combination of slip, slip, knit and knit two together. So we shall make a start. The first stitch is a simple knit. And then we're going to do a yarn over, so bring the yarn to the front, and we're going to do a slip, slip, knit. So we slip the needle through the first two stitches. I roll around to the back, and then you complete the stitch at the back. And that gives you a yarn over, and then the slip, slip, knit. So then we have a few more knits according to the pattern, just to give some space between, and then we do it again. So we have a yarn over, and then a simple slip, slip, knit, and we continue on to the end of the row, and I'll show you what comes next in a moment. So as I said, this is a very, very simple pattern, and row 2 and 4 of this 4-row pattern are identical, and they are a very simple to follow knit all the way across. So we're just finishing off all of those loops, closing them up with a knit all the way across. So that is row 2 and row 4. So now we're on to row 3 or round 3 for this particular pattern, and what we will be doing is, rather than a yarn over and a slip, slip, knit, we're going to be knitting two together. So we simply knit those two together, and then we perform the yarn over and then continue on. So we've now simply switched the order of the yarn over, and we're now directing our stitches. Instead of going this way, they are now going this way. And that's what gives us that lovely snaky entwined look. So it is a knit two together and then a yarn over. And we've got some plain spacing stitches in between. And then one more time you have the knit two together, yarn over, and then continue on. And as I say, it's the alternation of the slip, slip, knit and the knit two together that gives us this twining stitch that goes back and forth. As you can see, it goes back and forth and back and forth around the gaps, which makes this such a beautiful stitch. So we start off with this yarn over, slip, slip, knit, then we have a row of just knit, and then we have a row of knit two together and yarn over, followed by a final row of plain knit, and then that gives us this gorgeous pattern of the swirling interwoven lace work. So hopefully that's been useful. If it has, give the video a thumbs up, come back, look for some more technique videos, share it around with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.